This one isn't a regular mesh, it's Flyknit upper, but overall, oh shit, hold up. Hey, what up guys, Babs Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. So we have seen so far in the channel 2 colorways of the original Air Max 270 or the original silhouette of the 270, but today we're gonna take a look at the Flyknit version of the sneaker, which I got on sale from Nike, or directly from Nike for like, oh what the, anyways, so what was I saying? What was I talking about? Yeah, that I got these for 135 bucks. They're on sale right now over at Nike, and of course, being a Nike Plus member, you get free shipping. So today we have the Atmosphere Gray Air Max 270 Flyknit, size 11. I love the box, the 270 box. I don't know, it's just like the aesthetic of it is so nice with the reflective Air Max, previous Air Max models. I love this box so much, man. But yeah, I mean, for the most part today, the shoe should only be, like, the biggest difference, of course, is the upper. This one isn't a regular mesh, it's Flyknit upper, but overall, oh shit. Okay, hold up. These are looking nice, man. This colorway, just the overall colorways, I'm impressed so far. I'm impressed by it. Like, I just opening the box. Let's go ahead and take them out. Yo, look at that. Look at this, bro. The inside looks so like smooth, so like sleek over here. I don't know. It feels super light, and you know, playing around with the stretchiness of the Flyknit, it seems like it's gonna be super comfortable. Damn, okay, I'm impressed. Okay, let me just say that I'm quite excited to try these on. Yo, I love the details, the suede details over here in the heel area. Let's go ahead and get started right there. So you got Air written in the back, and then that same piece of suede that runs to the back, you have Air 270 written over here on the outside. And now on this one, on the outside, you have the huge Nike swoosh over here on the toe box, or running from the middle of the shoe towards the toe box. I mean, nothing special over here on the midsole, but then moving towards the front, you do have Max written right in front of the toes, or right in front, on the front of the shoe, I mean. These are super light, man. This is crazy. Like, it's so light, I don't know. The Flyknit finish on the upper and the toe box, everything just feels super high quality. So gotta give it to Nike for that. But then moving towards the inside, you do have Air kind of crossing over here in the middle of the shoe. You have Air written across the middle of the shoe. The lacing system on these also different. Flywire, I'm assuming, for the laces. I don't know if that's what they're considering it. Okay, so on the website, Nike doesn't say that these are actually Flywire, so let's just say they're Flywire-like. Almost, oh crap! Oh, you guys see this? It says Air and then 270 right here. Actually, let me do it like this so you can get that perspective. The laces are actually super thin, so nothing too special with those. But then moving towards the tongue, you get that suede finish once again with a Nike swoosh and then Air 270 running down at the front of the shoe. And they also added a little bit more of that suede finish over here on the inside, but then the rest is still Flyknit over here. I'll just show you real quick the bottom. Really similar to the other 270s, or actually it's the same outsole, midsole to the other 270s that we've had in the channel before, so I'm not gonna go too much into detail. And yeah, it seems like that's about it for these. You can tell immediately, like, these are meant to be like the higher quality, the premium finish on these is amazing. They're super light. Oh crap, I almost dropped it. They're super light and they feel like they're gonna be super comfortable. The Flyknit feels stretchy, which is something big, at least for me, because it gives me my foot, which is kind of shaped weirdly, more freedom to actually fit inside the shoe. Yeah, these are super clean. These are clean. I don't know. I have been sleeping on these. I wanted to cop a pair, but I never actually did. But right now, let's go ahead and see how these look on feet. But anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. But yeah, once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags.